My name is Uwe Lauber. I'm the CEO of Enrgy Solutions, because China is one of the most important industry sector for us. It's a good partner, and we are here since more than 100 years. I think both countries, China and Germany, needs each other, specifically while today the topic of decarbonization is getting more and more important. Enrgy Solution has introduced its new strategy here in China. I see specifically 5 pillars, and one of the most important pillars is, of course, the shipping industry. I think China is the most important shipping industry, is the market leader there. We have the technical propulsion solutions on alternative fuels like LNG or synthetic methane, methanol, but also in the near future, ammonia is in our portfolio. Together with our partners here in China, we are developing the new engines which are capable to handle these alternative fuels. So another very important pillar is carbon capture and storage, or carbon capture and utilization. Knowing that China is also very famous for the cement industry, and China is producing around about 60% of the global cement production. And here with our technology, we help these, so to say, hard to abate sectors to produce cement in a carbon neutral way. For instance, we have our China production facility near to Shanghai in Changshu, where we produce all kinds of equipment suitable or handling CO2 reduced products. Today, the market share of these new type of technologies is around about 5 to 8%, but we want to increase it gradually up to 20%. China and Germany wants to collaborate, and there's a clear commitment from both sides.